So I'm an information architect. That's my core disciplinary being, I guess.
Hmm.
I teach user experience design and information architecture at the university around here. I am also a consultant. So I'm a practitioner. I work mostly in government spaces or nonprofit spaces, basically bringing user experience design into how software gets built, basically. Yeah.
Awesome.
And, you know, m- workshops, meetings, kind of collaborative design is so important to that. So this is kind of how we came to develop this, because in our experience, that is it's such a powerful way to get work done. But there's some things to know about how to do it, right? And it's also, I
Absolutely.
think, available to everyone to be able to lead meetings, to design and lead workshops of all kinds. But there's some tools and some tips and some practice that can really help people, master that part of doing
Absolutely.
our user-centered design work. So my partner Bernie Azari and I are going to be delivering a workshop called The Art and Science of Workshop Design. So it's a kind of a meta workshop about designing and facilitating workshops. Um, and yeah, so I'm sorry, did you have a question or?
No, that's very cool. I was just like, tell me more.
Okay,
Yeah,
let me tell you more.
sure.
Um, so basically, using a kind of metaphor of theater on the one hand, um, entertainment and engagement on the other hand, what we do is Bern and I bring our sort of disparate backgrounds to help frame how we can think about how the participants can conceptualize the design and conduct of a workshop. And by the way, by workshop, it
Hmm.
can be it could be his a stand-up meeting, or it could be like a Burning Man or something like that. I mean, there's a range of events that people are interested in being able to create or pull off. Workshops typically are like a half a day, a couple of hours, a half a day, or it could be several days. So that's kind of the sweet spot for people. But this also counts for those 1 or 2 hour brainstorming meetings, and even a full course can be designed this way. So what
And
we do
yeah.
is we bring like I said, a kind of a theatrical, creating a narrative, having the tools of putting on a production in a sense, with different roles and different, aspects to it, and a kind of entertainment side to that, with that user experience kind of structure. As an information architect, I like to structure things and make them
Absolutely.
executable.
Yeah.
So that's the kind of framework. People should can come in with their idea for a workshop. Many people, like maybe about half of the people that take our workshop, come in with a meeting or a workshop in mind that they want to facilitate. So bring that with you. Others come in just like knowing that this is a skill they want to add to their kit. So they
Hmm.
may not have an idea, but they have there's some idea in their head, even though they don't have anything scheduled. So you come in, and through this participatory process of doing the workshop, the participants are working with us, and we're walking through like the main tools, practicing them, doing role play. We share the different kinds of tools that we suggest using, how you manage your time, workshop activities that you may want to do and when, um, and also how to create workshop activities, how you can make them yourself based on what it is that you need to do. And
Gotcha.
so come in, you've either got your idea of a workshop that you're going to put on, or you want to add it to your
That's
collection of things you know how to do. And in the process of doing the workshop and participating in the workshop, you elevate your ability to do that kind of work. So it's
gotcha.
really kind of fun. I have to say, it's fun. It's hands on.